Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Glovewort. This special material is absolutely essential for any adventurer looking to empower their spectral allies. Think of it as the key to unlocking the true potential of your spirit ashes, transforming them from helpful companions into formidable fighters. By understanding its purpose, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of summoning and support in your journey. Finding Ghost Glovewort requires venturing into the depths of various catacombs and crypts across the world. These precious plants often glow with a faint, ethereal light, making them somewhat easier to spot in the dim surroundings. Remember, there are different tiers of Glovewort, each one crucial for specific upgrade levels of your spirit ashes. So, keep a keen eye out as you explore these challenging, subterranean areas. Once you've gathered your Ghost Glovewort, your next step is to visit Roderica at the Round Table Hold. She is the sole artisan capable of imbuing your spirit ashes with greater power. Simply speak with her, and she will guide you through the upgrade process. Each enhancement level demands a particular type and amount of Glovewort, so ensure you have enough before attempting to strengthen your beloved spectral companions. To truly maximize your spirit ash power, focus on consistently upgrading your most reliable companions. A fully enhanced spirit ash can withstand far more damage and deal substantially greater output, making them invaluable in boss encounters and challenging areas. Remember, a strong spirit can divert enemy attention, allowing you to execute your strategies more freely. Invest in your spectral allies, and they will surely repay you tenfold.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.